Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
So, now, what are the indications of hormonal therapy? Indications of hormonal therapy. Hormonal therapy is indicated in hormone receptor positive cases. That is, hormone receptor positive states that it is estrogen receptor or progesterone receptor positive cases. In them, we do hormonal therapy can be done if there is bone or soft tissue metastasis is seen, or if there is limited or asymptomatic visceral metastasis is seen in the patient. In these cases, these are the indications of hormonal therapy.
thank you and thank you for watching.